Okay, moving forward. Now let's talk about how we can actually make money on Fiverr using ChatGPT. So we talked a little bit about the different types of services that people are offering on Fiverr to create that passive income. But how we're going to be doing it is a little bit different, and we're going to be focusing on three niche categories, which we will be discussing in just a bit. So for the three methods we will be discussing today, we want to show you all the different types of prompts that you can input into ChatGPT to output exactly what you need. Once we put up a service, which we call a gig on Fiverr, when clients start to roll in, you'll use a series of these prompts within the tool to generate exactly what you need to provide to your clients. And don't worry at all. We will be going through it step by step, so you have a detailed guidance on how you can start earning some great side income. Now, let's take a look at a quick example. So before we looked at some website offerings that people are posting on Fiverr. One of the categories which I will reveal right now is copywriting. And the reason why copywriting will be a very niche and easy category to target is because all it takes is a topic, some understanding of what the client wants, and we can use that information to actually create a prompt on ChatGPT. So if you can see here, there's a lot of people that are posting about copywriting services, and they have a great number of customers coming in. So, for example, if we look at this person, we can actually leverage this gig right here and do the same thing. And once customers start to come in, all we'll do is head over to ChatGPT and we'll be creating our prompts within it to generate exactly what we want to provide to our clients. So next, we'll be looking at how we can sign up on the various platforms that we discussed, and we'll get right into it.